All right, so I know what you're probably wondering. What do you mean that you can automate your note-taking workflow using Tactiq? Well, for me, I've been somebody who loves using Tactiq. I love using Tactiq for the fact that I can open up a Google Meet and right on my screen, I have every single word that has ever been said in the meeting. It's transcribed, it's fully automatically AI note-taken. We know this. Literally installing the Chrome extension in a few minutes does exactly what I need in order for this to occur. However, after a meeting's over, usually what ends up happening is I have to go to the meeting and then ask it some questions, which is fine. Like, I'm not mad about that. But what I am mad about a little bit is the fact that I had to do it manually. You know, I had to go, oh, what's a detailed summary? Thanks. What's some action items? Oh, let me wait for this prompt to finish and let me press generate action items. Now this is really nice. I'm very appreciative of all the things we can do with Tactiq here. It's cool. However, there was a step up, a level up, one might say, that was created when we added flows, the workflows that you see right here. And how these work is essentially you can go to my workflows, and how it started was that you can make a workflow automation that essentially creates notes and then follows that prompt sequence, and hopefully you share it with an integration inside of an application. Like, for example, Notion, or some of the other ones that we have are Pipedream, Slack, email, Linear, and many other products. Now, the really cool thing that we've added is, as you can see here, rather than it being a manual workflow trigger, we can actually have it be automatic. So if the meeting title contains something or is something, what can happen is it can automatically run. For example, if the meeting title contains a condition like INT, then from there, what'll happen is an automatic workflow will run that ends up saving the meeting to what we want, which in this case is the detailed summary, into Notion inside of the page content. So you don't even need to have a meeting title condition here. I just wanted to show that as an example. But after I press save here and it's automatic, what'll happen is when I end a meeting, it'll automatically add this to my Notion. It's so simple and easy to set up, by the way. If you want to learn more about how you can set up a database inside of Notion, make sure to check out our video on that. But let's end this call and show you exactly how this works. Which, by the way, I do really appreciate the fact that it says automatic as a trigger type and Notion is the integration that is on the thing right here. So let's just end the call. And what'll happen is it'll run the workflow in the background. We can see if we open up this history. What's really cool is that you'll see that a few seconds ago, it actually ran this, and there's recent activity to show that it ran the steps with the meeting summary pressed out right here. And then from there, we'll see that it has pricing plans talked about, the workflow automation, the action items. And the pièce de résistance is that inside of Notion, the meeting notes and transcription from the meeting transcription on March 25th that just dropped on this created time has this exact overview, as well as the link to the full transcript inside of Notion. And this is simply incredible because what we see here now is a very clear look at what an automated AI note-taking workflow can look like. You simply open up your Google Meet, Zoom call, Microsoft Teams, have it transcribe the call, and then at the end of it, it'll add all of those notes into the Notion database of your choosing, the Slack message of your choosing, anything like that to recap conversations that you've had with team members or clients. It's simple, effective, and can help you save time and do more post-call. So with that being said, if you want to try out our new automated workflows, be sure to click the link down below to try out Tactiq today and try out our free forever plan. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.